The Walking Dead. Gott im Himmel.
On the Walking Dead.
Okay, wir sehen nochmal die erste Geschichte.
What's your name?
I'm Clementine.
You've been all by yourself through this?
I know who you are, and I know you're a killer. It's how the world works now!
Lee, are those bad people dead?
I hope you know what you're doing with her.
I got it! Molly said Crawford is the only place left in Savannah that still has people. That means it must be where my mom and dad are.
Okay, you can come, but you have to promise to stay quiet. Clementine? Clementine! Oh, no.
I know how to be a dad, you know. She wouldn't be exposed to what she has been with you.
Lee, I saw my parents.
No. You could leave me. It's okay.
You can come with me.
No, honey. I can't. It's okay.
Ich kann mich noch an diese Szene noch gut erinnern. Taylor Games präsentiert. In Zusammenarbeit mit Skyburn Entertainment. Clementine. Episode 1. Alles, was bleibt.
What do you think?
Oh, Mage, you can't be serious.
I am.
We are not doing that.
Why not?
Because.
Come on, Krista. What's wrong with Omid?
We're not calling our baby Omid. One of you is enough. Clementine, a little help here?
Omid the second.
No.
Omid Jr.
No.
You have to admit it has a ring to it.
You two should decide.
But the vote's deadlocked.
Yeah? Well, my vote counts for 2.
That's not fair.
Are you going into labor soon? No? Then don't talk to me about fair.
Ja.
You're not taking this seriously.
I take everything seriously. Especially little Omid's future.
Keep talking, and you'll be sleeping in the rain tonight. Remember that time in Barstow?
Vegas weekend?
Das ist ein Herrenwitz.
Get cleaned up in the girls' room, Clem.
I hope the sink works in there.
I wouldn't count on it. Just be careful and make sure to keep track of your things. We'll be right next door.
Okay.
Kleines Mädchen, das alleine auf die Toilette darf. Bei den Umständen.
Hello?
Fuck. Sorge dafür, dass der Raum sicher ist. Benutzt den linken... Okay. Ehrlich gesagt getraue ich mich nicht, die Türen aufzumachen. Okay.
Oh, gross.
Oh, Clementine hat eine Waffe.
What's that?
Was? Was ist das denn? Ein Hase. Okay, letzte Tür. Irgendwie vermute ich, dass hier irgendwas ist. Ich weiß nicht warum. Öffne sie. Alter, schon in den ersten Minuten bietet das Spiel Gänsehaut und...
Good. No one's here. safe to get cleaned up.
Hast du wirklich überall nachgeschaut? Clementine? Hast du wirklich überall nachgeschaut? Ich hoffe.
Please have water.
Scheiße.
Figures.
War klar. Was steht so hier? Nicht viel. Red Ninja Gamer, herzlichen Dank für dein Follow. Wir nehmen die Wasserflasche. Da hat's Wasser drin. Da hat's einen Lumpen. Wir können uns also doch noch sauber machen. Und schauen in den Spiegel und das sehen wir. Schon besser. Nein! Scheiße. Wir sind in eine Kabine gerutscht. Eigentlich sollte niemand da sein. Also eigentlich. Wir haben ja vorhin nachgeschaut. Oder? Wo ist die Wasserflasche? Dann in Tür 3. Da ist die Wasserflasche. Oh oh. Oh oh. Oh oh, Clementine. Du hast die Waffe draußen liegen. Du hast die Waffe draußen liegen. Nein, nein, nein. Lass sie liegen. Lass sie liegen. Was geschieht?
I see you.
Ich dich
Get out
auch.
of there. You're not fooling me. Come on out now.
Who are you?
None of your business.
Are you gonna hurt me?
Only if you're stupid.
Mache ich Dummheiten? Habe ich nicht vor.
Get out here. You got anything on you?
Nein.
Come on, let's see. I ain't gonna ask again.
What's your name?
My name? Why do you care?
I was just wondering.
Stupid. I'm serious. What else you got?
That's it.
Don't lie to me. I'll pop you. Give me what you got. I'm not screwing around. Come on.
I don't have anything.
Ich bin ein kleines
Give me
Mädchen.
that hat.
No.
Where'd you get it? I asked you a question.
My dad gave it to me.
Just give it to me.
Nein, nein.
Junk, junk, junk. Look at all this junk. Shit, shit, and more shit. Why you ain't got nothing good? Not like the last people I got. They had all kinds of good shit. That was a good catch. You ain't got nothing good.
Sag ich
Just a
doch.
little fish. You gonna cry, little fish? This your daddy? What a bozo.
Nein! Nein! Das war doch Omid, oder? Was hast du getan? Erst schauen und dann schießen.
I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to. I didn't mean.
Fuck. Das war wirklich Omid.
Homie, can you hear me? Homie.
Scheiße. Schon gleich zu Beginn. Gänsehaut. Ich war's nicht. Hätte ich die Waffe mitgenommen, wäre nichts passiert. Wäre ich doch eigentlich schuld. The Walking Dead. Was für ein Auftakt. 16 Monate später. Also über ein Jahr später. Und wo kam denn der Hund?
Talk to me.
Ach nee, ist gar kein Hund. Was ist mit dem Kind passiert?
This will never work. Look at this. It's pathetic. The wood's too wet to burn. There's more smoke than flame. At this rate, we'll be eating this for breakfast.
Keep trying.
There's only so much I can do. You should be doing this, not me. Tending a fire so you can cook and stay warm. It's something you have to be able to do, Clementine. Otherwise...
Das stimmt allerdings.
We can't stay in one place too long. It's too dangerous. We need to keep moving.
All we do, all we have ever done is move. But we never seem to get anywhere.
Ja, das stimmt schon.
I'm freezing.
You think this is bad? Wait till we get up to Wellington. Then talk to me about cold. If we make it.
Falls wir
We
es
still
schaffen.
have a couple hard months ahead of us. This rain will turn to sleet, then ice, then snow. It won't be easy.
Das ist wahr.
Can we make it that far?
Maybe. I don't know. We just need to keep moving north. We sure as hell can't stay here.
Habt ihr auch so Gänsehaut wie ich?
We need to get to Wellington.
We'll try the best we can. I'm gonna go look for more wood. You just keep the fire lit.